I know you're excited. It's here. The Jeffree Star Skin has arrived. This is my unboxing video. Jeffree Star Skin unboxing. Who's excited? I'm excited. Welcome to the video. It literally just arrived and I grabbed the box, came to film right now. This is my unboxing video. The box is open. I don't know if I want to take all my makeup off right now though. Can we just look at it? Oh, this is exciting. I got the bundle. I think the bundle was like $155. Well, the packaging is lovely. I did throw a couple little items in there. I got a lipstick that I hadn't tried before this color, Hidden Hills. So I'm gonna put that on my lips here in a minute. But then also, since they had like a deal for February, you spend so much money, you get a free gloss. So I got the black one. It's blackish. I don't know. 6 feet under? I thought that might be fun. I don't know. Something different. Oh, this is not the color that I like. This looks lighter. I thought it was gonna be like a dark. This is not what I thought it was. I don't know if I'm gonna like that color. All right, so let's not put that color on. I'm gonna put this other one on because I need to have something. I don't know why I'm filming this. That is pretty. Hi. Let's get into the skin. Amber, focus. Focus, focus, focus. My ADHD is taking over. Let's focus, shall we? We shall. Hey, by the way, if you haven't done so yet, make sure you subscribe down below. Thank you. I might need my glasses. Morning Dew Hydrating Eye Cream.
Mama?
Yes?
Will you put this on me?
Sure. As I was saying. Okay, what did I say? Morning Dew Hydrating Eye Cream. I'm excited about an eye cream. Is this the one that has like the little star? Oh, look, it's so cute. Oh yeah, it does. Ha! So cute. I'm just gonna put it on the back of my hand for right now. Feels good. I don't smell anything. If you're, weird about smells, that's not a problem. I'm not claiming to be any kind of, skincare expert or anything, but I use a lot of it. This looks like one of his scrubs, but it says Repair and Revive Lip Mask. Cute. Very cute. Let's see, what is this? Oh, that does have a scent. Oh. Ooh, I'm definitely going to use this. I always have chapped lips. Even though I do the scrubs, I do the lip oils, I use my Dr. Pepper chapstick. I always seem to have chapped lips. Maybe I just need to drink more water. But anywho, I'm definitely going to use this. I'm excited about it. Let's go to these big mama jamas. On the side, Strawberry Water Facial Toner and Strawberry Water Clarifying Cleanser. Ooh. So that'll be fun. Oh, this is what I was excited about. I love a toner. I love a good toner. And I know he said it doesn't have alcohol in it, so I'm definitely excited about that because I am over 40 and I don't want to dry out any more than I already am doing so at this time. Let's see, does it smell? Oh, it does smell like strawberries. A little strawberry whiff. You know what it smells like? Those strawberry shortcake dolls from back in the day. Did anybody have that, or am I just too old? When you squeeze their tummy, then a strawberry scent would come out, and they had different ones. This one is the Strawberry Water Clarifying Cleanser. Ooh, it's kind of a milky color. That one has a scent too, but it's not as strawberry-esque as the toner was. Do we want to see another video of me actually trying all this stuff? Because I could do that later. This is a big box. Make Me Melt. Oh, this is the Makeup Removing Balm. So I will have to use that later on when I actually take all my makeup off. Because I'm filming right now. I don't want to take it all off right now. This one is really cool because it has that star scooper on the top. I was very excited about this. Look it. It's magnetic. Oh, my son's gonna love that. Oh, that's cute. Well done, Jeffree, on that packaging, because I always lose my scoopers. I have some in like my drawer, like they're just random. This is nice because it's just gonna keep it right where it needs to be. So I've never tried anything like this before, so I am very excited to try it. Is that it? Oh, it is it. I thought there was another like thing I needed to pull off, but that was it. Well, it feels very soft. The smell is nice. Not too crazy. I'm nervous to try this because I've never used a balm before to remove my makeup. So I'm very interested to see how this is going to work. Ooh, this is a big box. Magic Star Hydrating Moisturizer. Big box. Well, I can't get it out. Come on, everybody. Ugh. They did not make this one easy to get into. This whole thing. Oh. I am so, this is probably the thing I was most excited about. Look how pretty. Oh, see, that's going to look nice. Just like sitting on the counter, you know? It's like a piece of art. Wow. Oh, this is beautiful. Magic Star Hydrating Moisturizer. I hate saying that word. Is that just me? No. What kind of strawberry-esque? I mean, we're just going to put that on there. It smells nice. Feels good. Not like sticky, you know what I mean? Like, that feels good. Ooh, this is exciting. This is so beautiful. I know he loves good packaging, and that is beautiful. So, well done on that. Last thing, oh, it's the mist. So, I was excited about this one too because I do have the first one, the Soothing Facial Spray. Oh, Holy Mist Soothing Facial Spray. So I was excited about this one to see what the difference is. Okay, so here we got, they look the same color. Here we go. You can see I've used mine. I typically use this like before I start my makeup just to kind of wake the skin up. And I think they said you can use it like throughout the day. It says Glow Face Mist. What am I supposed to do here? Fine hydrating and brightening face mist that targets dullness, dryness, fine lines, and wrinkles. Hello, that sounds good. Prickly pear, cactus water, rainbow algae. Love that. Plankton, I don't know. We're going to spray it though. I love a mist. Smells a little weird. I'm dropping stuff. It's exactly the same size though as the other one. I can't hold it straight. There we go. You can see I've used mine a bit, but the packaging is basically the same, just doesn't have the big design on the front. This one smells a little sweeter to me. I don't know. So the other one says soothes and hydrates the skin of even the strongest sinner. Oh, hilarious. I like it. Either way, I'm down for a facial mist. So what do we think? What did you guys order? Did you get the whole bundle? Was there a specific product that you wanted? Boop, boop. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you want to see a full review, I'm sure there's tons of videos out there, but if you like what I gotta say, I mean, I want you to hear it, and I would love to do it. I would love to hear your opinions in the comments. Also, to make sure to check out my TikTok account. I do videos there every day. Lots of fun makeup looks, reviews, hauls. What else do I do? But I love the way all the products look. Did really well with the magnet. I would definitely say amberific on most of these products. Some of them I won't know until I use it, but so far I love the moisturizer. I was most excited about this because, hey, hi, I'm gorge. And I love a good moisturizer. I'm over 40, like I said. We're not going to harp on that, but you know, you got to moisturize. I'm just saying. And if you're under 40, start now. If somebody hasn't already told you, start now and hit that neck. Hit the neck. Amberific. Thanks for watching my video. Have a great day. Bye. Sorry, I'm crazy, but please come back. Okay, bye.